Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to set up effective marketing campaigns using Mailchimp. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free on their website. Once you're in, it will land on your dashboard. Click the Create Campaign button. You'll see several options. Choose email for standard campaign or explore options like automated or social posts depending on your goal. Next, you'll select your area. Mailchimp lets you segment your subscriber based on their activity, interest, or demographic. This ensures the right people get the right message. Now, design your email. Use Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to customize a template with your brand color, fonts, and logo. Add engagement content like image, buttons, and personalized text using merge tags like FNAM. Create a compelling subject line in preview text to boost an open rate. You can even A/B to B race test different versions to see what works best. Before sending, preview and test your email across devices to make sure everything looks perfect. Schedule it for the optimal time or send it immediately. Finally, track your results with MailChimp's analytics. Monitor options, clicks, and conversion to improve future campaigns. And that's it. You've just set up a professional marketing campaign with MailChimp. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed marketing tips. Let me know in the comments what you're promoting. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.